Hi everyone, how to add slow motion in Capcut. Let's start. Click on Capcut. Now click on new project. Now select a video. I select this video from scenery. Click on add. Tap on video and go to speed at bottom left. There are two ways, normal and curve. I choose normal. In this way, you can slow down or speed up whole video. I make it a little bit slow. Let's check. You can see the slow movement of the video. Let's check how was the original video. You can see this was my original video. You can go on speed again and you can slow further it again. I slow down and now you can check its further slow motion. After clicking on curve, you can slow down or speed up any part of your video. Click on curve and there are options given, anyone you can select. If you click on custom, you can slow a specific part of your video, otherwise some suggestions are given. You can choose any one of the following. Now I select this one. This is how you can add slow motion in your video. Thanks for watching my video.